Ready to ditch the centralized exchanges and dive into the wild world of Solana's DEXs? First, if you don't already have one, you'll need to download and set up Phantom Wallet, a popular and secure wallet for Solana. Head to their website, download the extension for your browser, and follow the on-screen prompts to create a new wallet, making sure to store your secret recovery phrase in a safe place. This is key to recovering your wallet if anything happens. Next, navigate to Dexscreener.com in the top right corner. Ensure you've selected the Solana network to filter for Solana-based tokens. Now, use the search bar to find the token you're interested in. Once you've found your token, you'll see a detailed price chart and key information. Look for the trade button, usually located below the chart. This will give you a list of different exchanges to trade on. Clicking the trade button on Dexscreener takes you directly to the exchange page like Radium or Orca. Make sure you're connecting to the legitimate URL of the DEX. Click Connect Wallet and select Phantom from the list. A window will pop up asking for permission to connect. Review the request carefully and approve if everything looks good. Now, enter the amount of SOL you want to trade for the token or the amount of tokens you want to buy. Carefully review the details, including the estimated output, price impact, and slippage. Adjust the slippage if needed, especially for volatile tokens. Finally, click Swap. Phantom Wallet will pop up again, displaying the transaction details and gas fees. Review everything one last time, and if you're happy with it, click Confirm. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Solana blockchain, which usually happens very quickly. And that's it. You've successfully bought a token on a Solana DEX using Dexscreener and Phantom Wallet. Remember to always do your own research before investing in any crypto. Good luck and happy trading.